Okay, we're going to read about some famous Olympic swimmers. I'm going to read each passage A, B, C, and D. And you can follow along and then try to read it yourself. You might have to listen a few times. We're going to start with Johnny Weissmuller. He was one of the best swimmers in the world in the 1920s. At the 1928 Olympics in Amsterdam, he won 2 Olympic medals. He also went to the Paris Olympics. In his swimming career, he won 5 gold medals and never lost a race. He also played Tarzan in the famous movie. Dawn Fraser. She was the greatest female swimmer in the world. At the Melbourne Olympics in 1956, she broke the 100-meter record. Just 18 years old, she won 3 medals in her first Olympic Games. She's the first of only 2 swimmers in Olympic history to win gold medals for the same event at 3 Olympics: 1956, 1960, and 1964. Mark Spitz. He was born in 1950. He won 7 gold medals at the Munich Olympics in 1972. He was the Swimmer of the Year in 1969, 1971, and 1972. Mary T. Meagher. People called her Madame Butterfly. She set world records in the butterfly race. In 1984, at the Los Angeles Olympics, she won 2 gold medals for the 200-meter and the 100-meter butterfly races. We have 6 questions. Who won gold medals in the Olympic Games? Who had a special name? If you look over here, you can write A, B, C, or D, or just maybe one of them. The first one we saw with gold medals, each of them had won gold medals. So in that first one, we would write A, B, C, and D. Someone who had a special name. was Madame Butterfly. So that would only be, number 2 would only have D for Madame Butterfly. I'm going to leave the other ones for you, so you can complete those. Just refer to these passages in your book to answer those questions that are left. We're going to move over to quiz time. Going to read and do this quiz. Which is heavier, the lion or the tiger? Which is smarter, the dolphin or the rabbit? Which is a bigger city, Sydney, Australia, or New York City? And number 4, what is the smallest island? Bishop Rock or St. Martin? In the writing, they want you to write about a famous athlete. This can be any athlete that you want. It would be easiest to write about one of these. Because all the information is here. Like the sport we know is swimming. It says when they are born, in the Olympic Games and the medals that they won. But you can choose anyone. Maybe there's a Thai athlete that you like that is famous. Maybe you want to write about another athlete. The last part on this is information about a falcon, the fastest bird in the sky, and it's faster than a car. They're just giving you a little, did you know, little question. And then here you can just check off each of these, because these are things that you now can do. So just put a check in each box. And that's it. Complete both pages.